How to stop Google from saving search history on your iPhone. So if you want to stop the Google browser from saving all your search history on your phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to stop Google from saving search history on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Safari browser. If you're using Safari, then here you want to visit google.com. Now, while on the google.com page on your Safari browser, then scroll down the page, locate settings and click on it. Once you click on settings, you see search settings, advanced search, and all other information. Now, go ahead and click on search settings. Once you click on search settings, you see search history savings under activity. Now, to stop Google from saving your search history on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on search history. Then hang on while this take you to your Google activity page, and you may be prompted to sign into your Google account. If you have not signed into the Google account on your iPhone, then go ahead and sign into your Google account. Then after that, locate saving to web and app activity. Once you click on saving to web and app activity, come here where you see turn off, select it, and then click on turn off. This is going to turn off Google from saving your web activity. Click on got it. Then you see your activity has been deleted. So you can go ahead and click on delete activity again, then delete all your activity on Google. However, if you want to delete your activity at once, while you turn off your Google activity, just come here where you see turn off, click on turn off, then tap turn off and delete activity. Once it shows either turn off or turn off and delete activities, this is going to delete your Google from search history, and it's going to stop Google from saving your search history. So that is basically how to stop Google from saving search history on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.